politely,
공손히,
politely,
공손히,
politely,
공손히,
politely.
공손히.
College students greeted the professor politely. Male,
수컷,
male,
수컷,
male,
수컷,
male.
수컷.
The male bird is singing for the female bird. Upward,
위쪽으로,
upward,
위쪽으로,
upward,
위쪽으로,
upward.
위쪽으로.
Stretch your arms upward and hold hands. Dull,
무딘,
dull,
무딘,
dull,
무딘,
dull.
무딘.
The blade is so dull that it can't cut the cucumber. Closet,
옷장,
closet,
옷장,
closet,
옷장,
closet.
옷장.
I put socks and underwear in the closet. Teenage,
10대,
teenage,
10대,
teenage,
10대,
teenage.
10대.
Teenage culture is different from adult culture. Pastime,
취미,
pastime,
취미,
pastime,
취미,
pastime.
취미.
His pastime is collecting old stamps. Shame,
부끄러움,
shame,
부끄러움,
shame,
부끄러움,
shame.
부끄러움.
His face turned red with shame. Atom,
원자,
atom,
원자,
atom,
원자,
atom.
원자.
The atom is the smallest unit of matter. Fable,
동화,
fable,
동화,
fable,
동화,
fable.
동화.
We have learned useful lessons from fables. Continent,
대륙,
continent,
대륙,
continent,
대륙,
continent.
대륙.
South Korea is located on the Asian continent. Exact,
정확한,
exact,
정확한,
exact,
정확한,
exact.
정확한.
I counted the exact number of attendees. Sneeze,
재채기하다,
sneeze,
재채기하다,
sneeze,
재채기하다,
sneeze.
재채기하다.
She sneezed because of the strong smell. Whisper,
속삭이다,
whisper,
속삭이다,
whisper,
속삭이다,
whisper.
속삭이다.
I whispered in a small voice. Workshop,
연수회,
workshop,
연수회,
workshop,
연수회,
workshop.
연수회.
What is the theme of this Wunju workshop? Guard,
지키다,
guard,
지키다,
guard,
지키다,
guard.
지키다.
He held a weapon to guard his family. Kettle,
소,
kettle,
소,
kettle,
소,
kettle.
소.
The herd of cattle drank water in the river. Share,
공유하다,
share,
공유하다,
share,
공유하다,
share.
공유하다.
I shared some important information with her. Horizon,
지평선,
horizon,
지평선,
horizon,
지평선,
horizon.
지평선.
The sun is rising above the horizon. Trunk,
줄기,
trunk,
줄기,
trunk,
줄기,
trunk.
줄기.
The car slammed into the trunk of the tree. Youngster,
청소년,
youngster,
청소년,
youngster,
청소년,
youngster.
청소년.
Youngsters get a bus fare discount. Solo,
단독에,
solo,
단독에,
solo,
단독에,
solo.
단독에.
This is her first solo flight. Toward,
쪽으로,
toward,
쪽으로,
toward,
쪽으로,
toward.
쪽으로.
The raft drifted toward the sea. In,
여관,
in,
여관,
in,
여관,
in.
여관.
Travelers stayed at the inn during the country trip. Unable,
할 수 없는,
unable,
할 수 없는,
unable,
할 수 없는,
unable.
할 수 없는.
Let me know in advance if you are unable to attend.